Have you ever wondered why some plants or animals are talked about more than others? The answer is probably because they are a keystone species and therefore important to our environment. A keystone species is a plant or animal whose life has a very large, direct impact on the other plants and animals it lives among. You can think of a keystone species in their environment as a keystone in the Arc de Triomphe of the most famous monuments in Paris. The arc is held together by the keystone. A keystone species is named such because they are of the same importance as the keystone in an arc. Without it, this beautiful arc falls apart. The same goes with the keystone species. Without it, the environment it lives in falls apart. Honeybees are one example of a keystone species. Their survival affects the survival of other plants and animals, including humans. Bees are needed to produce more than a third of all foods and beverages humans consume. They impact the plants' lives through pollination, which then goes on to impact the life of other plants and animals, including our own. Any plant or animal can be a keystone species, from a microscopic algae to a 600-pound grizzly bear. The health of a keystone species can have a major impact on other plants and animals it lives among. This is because keystone species have a specific role in their environment that cannot be filled by any other plant or animal. Now you know why some plants and animals are the talk of the town, because they've earned it by their part as a keystone of their environment. Thank you for listening.